6 a.m. Sunday morning. Still dark, no one out here. What am I up to today? I'm heading over to the bike shop, meeting up with the guys, and we're driving out to Western Mass to do a 62-mile ride. This organized ride event is rated the #1 century ride of New England. That should be fun. A couple clips from today, check them out.
So young, so how are you to know? No. You're a carrier of the light inside of you. Glows green in the pitch black night. Can't tell anyone is hurting you. So hold it in, cover up, pull up your sheets. A torpedo cruising in the ocean, and soon it's due. So I got to sit up, for my heart to come down. So I got to sit up.
Potatoes. Decided to give them a go. Usually I'm raw till 4, but you know, paid to ride this event. Get some complimentary food. Not bad at all. So just got done with the 68 miles and lots of elevation involved. And how did I feel? I felt great. I felt so good. I felt like I was on EPO, man. I was hucking up the climbs. It felt awesome. And the scenery was great. The groups were great. People were great. This is a really good event. Like, there's someone playing music right now. And we're about to have dinner. They're making dinner for us. Like, you're really getting your money's worth when you're signing up for this ride. So, great river ride in Westfield, Massachusetts. If you're nearby and you're a big cyclist and you like to do distance, I would recommend checking it out for sure. So hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.